Hello everyone, I'll be showing you guys 5 awesome CapCut edits that you need to try out in 2024. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please like and subscribe. Let's dive in. First edit I'll be showing you guys is how to do the sticky emoji. So this is the video I'll be using for this tutorial. Then I'm going to slide down and click on stickers. So what I'm going to do is I want to use the battery emoji. So I'm just going to click on search here and type in battery icon. I've done it before. So this is the battery icon. I can select whichever one I want here on CapCut. I want to use the low battery icon. So I'll be using this one. This one is okay. So I'll be using it for this. Then click back. So I'm going to shift it to this person's head, just like this. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make sure that I shift the sticker to the full duration of the video. Then I'm going to scroll down and make sure that the sticker is highlighted, just like this. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on tracking. Then this yellow cursor would appear. I'm going to place it on the person I want it to track. So I'll be placing it on this guy talking. Then I'll click on start tracking. So as you can see, it's tracking him already. The next tutorial I'll be showing you guys on CapCut is the text slide effect. So I'll be using this video for this tutorial. Then I'm going to click on text, click on add text. Then I'm going to write the text that I want to write. So I'll be writing script writing. So let me just leave it at script writing. Then I'm going to change the font. Let's make it more good, more classic. So I will click on this. Then I'm going to go to styles and click on stroke, and I'm going to click the black color. Then I'm going to readjust it just to make it sharper. I think this is okay. Then click on the check mark. Then I'm going to leave it like this. So I'm going to readjust it, let it cover the full screen. Just like this. Then I'm going to click on animations. So when I click on animations, I'm going to select whichever one I want here. This is how it would appear when it comes out. So the in animation, I'm going to select this one. There is one I want to use for this. I can't find it. Or where is it? Okay, this one. Then click on the check mark. Just like this. It's going to appear just like this. So we're going to add some sound effects, like a whoosh sound effect. So I'm going to go to audio and click on sound effects. Then I'm going to click on this search sounds and type in whoosh. Click search. Then I can use whichever one I want here. As you can see, I've used some of it before. Or maybe this. I think this is better, the first one, so I'm going to click it. So let's see how it sounds. This is it. So that is how you make a text to slide out of your videos. The third edit I'll be showing you guys is how to remove filler words from your videos. But guys, unfortunately, I don't have any video that contains filler words. So I'll be using this video I got from Pixel. The video does not have any audio, but I'll just show you how to do it so you can do the same for your videos. Then what you're going to do is, after importing your video to CapCut, you're going to scroll down and click on captions. Then when you click on captions, what you're going to do next is here where they wrote identify filler words, that is the pro version. When you click on it, it's going to automatically identify all the filler words. I hope you know what filler words are: the ums, the ahs, all those kinds of words that you usually say. So this feature here will identify all of them and delete them. It will delete the long pauses, the ums, the ahs, and other words that are unnecessary in your videos. So when you click on it just like this, it will remove it. But this is a pro version. This happens in CapCut Pro. So when you pay a certain amount of money, it will work. So that's it, guys. Next thing I'm going to show you guys on CapCut is how to add your own music, the music in your phone or the music in your device. So say this video is the video you want to add music in, this particular video here. So what you're going to do is just click on audio. Then when you click on audio, you click on sounds. Then after clicking on sounds, you can click this second icon, this file icon. Then you click on device. Then the music in your phone would come out. Then you can select whichever song you want to add to your videos. Please guys, in case you're posting your videos on YouTube or any other social media, please avoid using the music on CapCut. This music that you can see here, avoid using them, because when you use them you might get a copyright claim, and you know what that means. So avoid it. Even though they wrote free here, avoid using it. Use the one in your phone here, just like I've shown you, device. Then you can select whichever one you want. I'm going to be using this one that I got from YouTube library. I'll click on plus, then it's going to appear just like this. Then you can reduce the volume, you can increase it. Just make sure you click on the music just like this. Then you click on the volume and you can reduce it to whichever number you want. You can reduce it, you can increase it. So that's it, guys. The next trick I'll be showing you guys on CapCut is how to export your video the best way. So let's say that you're done editing your videos like this and you want to export it. Before you export that video, just do this. Click on the video clip just like this. Then you scroll down and click on adjust. Now when you click on adjust, you're going to click on sharpen, just like what we have here. Click on sharpen, then you're going to increase it to 30 at least. Then when you increase it to 30, you click on the check mark. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on here where we have the 720p. You're going to click on it. That's the video resolution. Then you're going to shift it to 1080p. Then after shifting it on 1080p, make sure that the frame rate is on 30. Make sure it's on 30, just like this. Leave it on 30. Then you're going to go back and you're going to click on export. Guys, the video clip, that video, god, the high quality will be so high. It will be so high. Just try it out, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And also I would like you to check out my other CapCut playlist. You're going to find awesome CapCut tutorials in it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.